Hi mga kadabs, it's me again David, and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we will not tackle any certain commands on AutoCAD, but rather I'm gladly want to share to all of you how I started creating videos for AutoCAD. Before anything else, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell, this bell, and don't forget to like. So without further ado, let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back to our video, and I am showing you now the section plane of the starting motor. As you can see, you are viewing all the internal parts of the starting motor. You can see the armature and the solenoid, every part of it. We have already made it into section plane, and this is the composed original parts or original starting motor that we have created. We can also view the internal parts of it by using the two-dimensional image in the visual style, but bear with me because our computer is having trouble producing the image. There you have it. You are viewing now the two-dimensional image of the starting model. What is the difference between the two of a section plane and the two-dimensional image is that the section plane you are viewing directly the half portion of it, while the 2D wireframe you are seeing the whole image of it into the dimension. And well, we can also view it by using a an X-ray visual style. There you have it. We can see the gears and the armature, all of them same parts. So guys, thank you very much for staying with me all throughout the process of this project, and hope to be with you again someday when I create another three-dimensional image of automotive parts. Thanks again for watching. God bless and take care. Bye bye. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and shout out nga pala kay Kevin Huson ng Glacier, Balagtas, Bulacan. So again guys, salamat sa inyong panonood, and don't forget to subscribe and like and hit the notification bell para updated po kayo sa mga bagong videos ko. Thank you so much. God bless and bye bye.